So we are just finishing up Avalanche Lake. It's pretty much the first hike of the year that at least I've completed the whole way through. Did Abgar Lookout with my buddy Jake from Hike 734 a couple weeks ago, but some sketchy snow fields, and Jake made it all the way up, but I decided to stop and just relax. So I'm here with my wife back there and our little boy Henry. Henry was just knocked out a little bit hiking, so he's out again. So it's all this oxygen. So Avalanche Lake, great, love it. It's our 6th year in a row doing this trail as our first hike of the year. It's become a Fallon family tradition, so to speak. So it's awesome. Beautiful day. Lake is gorgeous. No ice on the lake. A bunch of mountain goats up top, and some ice and snow on the trail with about 3/4 of a mile left to the lake, but that should be melted out in the next few weeks and all good to go. So just a beautiful spring day here in Glacier and hiking for diabetes. Love it. Awesome. Can't wait for this summer. Henry says bye-bye.